Sugar. Move your foot toward. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No, they're gonna hurt themselves.
Sugar, don't jump off.
Careful, get him down first.
9-9 second set. Back on Schneider. And Schneider with a guide shot and a touch off the
Oh, he knows you're videotaping.
players actually look.
Sugar got it.
Can Schneider see Bellhauser up there? Yes, they absolutely.
Oh, cheater, Mac. What do you got? You got your toy?
Watch here, just a little bit of touch off the Bellhauser right pinky. But finally, the German player Julius Greg was hitting it off Bellhauser's hand so much he decided to split his hands and two balls almost into the center. Yes, players will aim for his hand and aim for his
Uh-oh. What happened?
Where'd it go?
What happened?
Bellhauser up there. You might have to give him a cane.
Where'd it go, Mac?
Way up. 10-10.
Where'd it go, Mac? Mac.
I don't have it.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Uh-oh. You know where it went?
He does.
Sugar. Sugar. What's going on over there? Huh? You better get down. It's underneath the bed. Go underneath the bed. It's underneath the bed. It's underneath the bed.
Found a
Mac,
Cirque
your paws
du
gonna
Soleil.